Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
After you have added a form field of any type to a form, you can double-click the field to open its associated Properties dialog box. You can use the tabs that appear within this dialog box to set the appearance and functionality of the selected form field. You can then click the Close button within the dialog box to apply the settings. In this lesson, you will learn how to set the properties on the General tab within this dialog box. These settings are universally shared amongst all of the different types of form fields and buttons available. You can type the name of the field into the Name field in this tab. When a user hovers their mouse pointer over this field within a form, the text that is entered into the Tooltip field appears. In the Common Properties section at the bottom of this tab, you can use the Form Field drop-down to set the visibility and printability of the selected form field. You can choose a rotation of the form field by entering a choice into the Orientation drop-down. To make the field read-only, to prevent changes to the data it contains, check the Read-Only checkbox. If available, you can check the Required checkbox to require the user of the form to provide a value in the field before they can submit the form. Note the Locked checkbox that appears at the bottom of this dialog box. If checked, the locked checkbox will prevent any changes to the properties within the tabs of this dialog box until the check is removed from the checkbox.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.